Okay. So suppose a student asks you, Kunal, I don't know anything about coding. I am interested to learn, but I have no idea. Like, will I be able to learn?
Obviously, anyone can learn coding. Well, see, I don't know what other people like. Normal answers would be like, I also have experience as being an instructor. So I have actually answered this question multiple times. So generally in my class, I say that, okay, attend my class for 2 days. If you don't like it, you will yourself know, okay. So coding is all about logic and less syntax. Syntax is a very important part, but logic building is very important. How you think, like stepwise thinking. If you have to go to, let's say, Marathon, so you have to be like critically thinking, right? Like the first step is that, what would be first step? First of all, you have to be ready, right? After that, you have to open your door and close the door, and then you have to walk down the stairs, then maybe find a rapido quickly, and then you have to sit and then you reach there. So these are the steps. You have to be very clear with the steps in your head. It is not required for you to be knowing the exact coding steps like #iostream.h and all, stadium main and all. Not everything is required over there, right? But the first step is that you should know that you should be able to see the steps clearly. Algorithm should be clear in your head. If you are able to do that simple thing, I think after that, learning a language is just how much time you are able to invest in the language. That's all. The very important part, according to me, is the clarity of steps, how you are able to going to achieve the thing. And actually, the interesting thing is, when you are going to an interview as a fresher, many times I have been interviewed in Infosys, Cognizant, and TCS. I was able to clear them all. Actually, what they expect is not proficiency in coding language, but you are able to see the code steps clearly. They will ask how problem solving. Yeah, that's the correct word. If you are able to solve the problem, if you are a good problem solver, that is what is expected out of you. You can learn any programming language. If you pay enough time to it, you have enough dedication, you will be able to learn it. It is fairly easy.
And there's also this misconception that programming is very difficult.
No, not actually. I would say, how much difficult was it when we learned to write A, right? With the finger we used to learn, right? To develop the muscle memory and everything, right? It's not that difficult because now you know everything. Just the thing is that those are set of instructions. You have to simply know basic instructions. If you spend 1 week with it, you'll know it. And nowadays, programming is something is required in every fields of business and all. If you are an HR, you need Python skills actually for data analysis. If you are having, you are good to go. You are someone market will want you. Okay, so it is that important to learn coding. Coding should be something, should be mandatory for everyone to learn. Yeah, according to me, obviously.
Okay. So this was little bit like general question that students have. But I want to know, like, now main thing everyone wants is the placement. So how was your placement journey like?
Placement journey is like, I think everyone faces same, because all my friends, everyone, we used to be in like sort of pressure, family pressure and all, everything at the same time happens. But the thing is that if we don't stop practicing, we have abundant of study materials in EdYoda. We get it right. So if we are able to practice it every day, like until we get the job, we should make sure that practice at least what we have learned till that day. Okay, and try to like solve more problems. Like I used to solve problems from HackerRank. I started from HackerRank, and I also solved many problems from LeetCode and HackerEarth. These were the 3 platforms I used to code. And if I want to switch the job, I will anyway need to code, because now you are a computer programmer, you have to code, and that's what is only thing required. Because ultimately, when you are going to interview, the guy wants you to be good at something. You have to show them something, either problem solving or coding. If you are good in coding, you have to good in problem solving.
So in summary, again, if I ask 3 things that you liked about the placement journey at EdYoda, what will it be?
The good thing I liked about placement journey was the support from the placement people, and the jobs used to come very like frequently, like in almost every 4 to 5 days we used to get jobs notifications via mail. And also, like, the best part was Simant used to call, okay, hey man, why are you not filling the this job? Because this is really good opportunity, you should fill up, okay, because you guys have all the, what do you say, resumes of, right? So I used to get calls and all. And after that, pre-placement training thing which happens, like on how to focus on communication skills and the soft skills and all, how to make resume. These are 3 things I would like.
So how useful do you think was that placement preparation module?
Well, for me, there was no placement preparation module. Like when I enrolled, there was not. But when I started teaching, then I think that came placement preparation module. So
you were saying something. There was some preparation for. Was there some?
yeah, for us, it was not a special module for that, but it was like a question bank kind of thing. We had a place, so question bank kind of thing where you have to go there and like there is a place and all the questions you need to solve. Now it is more oriented like in a proper manner. You have this module. Now I am saying like I have also taken the module, so you have more structured way of like this placement plan where you can simply go and click okay, and you can have all those MCQs and for practicing the questions. Yeah. I would say frankly that if you are someone good in problem solving and especially mathematics and all, this lifestyle will not bore you because every day there is new challenges. There are new challenges and new technologies. And in my company, especially, I'm getting a lots of exposure to new technologies like not just Python, like even the frameworks. I'm learning new frameworks and all because it's required in different projects. And I would say that yeah, it's really amazing.